Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, YouTube Ustad. Today my video topic is earn money from blogging. My previous videos I complete tell about what is monetization and what is monetization of blogging. You can check videos I upload already. So now we will start our topic. Before starting our topic, I am requesting you kindly subscribe my channel for getting notification incoming videos in future. You can check easily. I provide and make for you best content table where you easily check what is we are study and already discussed topics. So now our topic already I tell you 2.2 how to earn money from blogging. Let's start. Before we explore how to earn money from blogging, let's first have a brief and frank discussion about the importance of transparency. We already mentioned that once your readers start progressive you as an authority, they begin to trust you. For Spider-Man, with great power comes great responsibility. Believe it or not, this edge applies to you too. As an authority, you cannot abuse the trust of your fan base. There are many ways to do this, but the assist way to fail your fans is to forget to be transport with them. See, not only do your fans trust you, they expect a certain level of honesty from you. That means if you post an affiliate link to a camera, you should let them know you are an affiliate with the camera company. If they find out an other on, there's a good chance they will feel checked. If you review a backpick, give your readers full disclosure. You get the backpick for free as part of the review process. They will appreciate the honesty and come to love you even more. You get the idea, so do not hide your intentions to monetize your audience. As legendary admin David Ogilvy once said, "The consumer is not a pawn, she is your wife." How to decide what to write about yours intent? Let's examine how to drive qualified traffic to your blog. After all, not all traffic is created equal. If 1 million visitors come to your blog and non convert, then your monetization effects are futile. That's why the best traffic is from repeat visitor, because they are the ones most likely to turn into loyal fans and purchase your offers. Like this, in this image you can see your website and coming from website. One person give you one click, and the second is give you two clicks, and third is give one click. Means it's give one by one, and but your fans is give you multiple clicks and you earn money. The trick is to figure out how to turn these repeat visitor into loyal fans. That's why we need to consider something called user intent. Let's look at a brief overview of the steps here. The first step is when people use search engines like Google, what kind of questions do they ask? In your neck, take some time to think about these questions and create a list with as many of the best questions you can think of. The second step is do your research and search these questions yourself. The third step is look at which websites pop up on Google for each questions. The fourth step is go through them and dig deeper into how these blogs answers the questions, which other questions they chose to answer, and so on. The last fifth step is map your best questions on a sales funnel. In other words, where do they fit in terms of your visitor journey? You can see in the image the given AIDA model. As the diagram above show, AIDA stand for first is attention, second is interest, third is decision, the fourth is action. Let's look at an example of how this would work in practice. Say you are running a tourism agency in Rome, Italy. So you think up the question, how much money should I bring with me on a 2 week trip to Italy? Where does this question fit in your AIDA funnel? That's right, you would file this question under decision. What about the question best tour guides in Rome? This is the best classified under action. Even through arguable, the searchers might simply be researching tour guidance. This would be the exception to the norm, which is why we would file this question under action. In other words, you visitors who are reading articles in the action stage of your funnel are ready to take action and buy something related to what they are ready. That's why at the end of the article you can present a relevant offer they are highly likely to consider. This introductory article by Weinstream does a financial job of exploring your interest. Now our video is end on this topic. Kindly uh, watch my previous videos for guidance, and now I am requesting you kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting notification in future coming videos, and also like my video. Okay guys, bye.